Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach on how to turn on test suggestions in Microsoft Windows 10 so that whenever you are typing in words, it will be bringing out test suggestions for you. So in order to do that, you click on this notification icon here, you click on expand, then click on all settings. Once it's open, you click on devices, go to typing, then scroll down. You see show test suggestions as I type, then you click on it. It's on now, so let's try it out. Let's minimize this window. Let's click on Microsoft Word, blank document. So let's try it out. So as you can see, it's bringing out test suggestions for us. Let's turn it off and check it out when it's off. So it's off right now. I'm going to delete this one. So I'm typing, it's not bringing out anything. But when you turn on the test suggestions, once you are typing, it will bring out word suggestions for you, which will make your typing to be faster. Thanks for watching this video. If this video really helped you out, share the video, comment your opinion on it, and don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell. Thank you.